Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm going to show you another trick that you can use for your projects. This one is for when you need chunky yarn or thicker yarn and you don't have any available, but yet you have loads of thin yarns. There's two ways of doing this. One is to grab 2 balls or 3 balls of the thinner yarn and work them together. Now with that, what I find is that you've got 3 balls bobbing around, everything's getting all jumbled and all knotted and tied up. So this is a trick to change a very thin yarn into a chunky yarn. You may have seen this before, but I'll show you today. So what you need is, there is your thin yarn. The first thing you need to do is just lay it like so. That's all you're doing to get into 3 strands. Then pick up all 3 together and do your slip knot as you would start a project. And you're thinking, okay, what's happening here? Just chain a couple, and we only have 1 yarn. There's not 3 yarns, but yet we're working with 3. And what we do here is, when we get to this section and we're running out, grab the other yarn through and pull it across. You can make it as long as you want or as short as you want, because it makes no difference. So I've gone this length. You can see this is where I've pulled the loop through there, but when you're working, there's no join and it makes no difference. You will not see it in your work. So I'll carry on here. I'm just doing chains at the moment. See, you have no idea where it's, somewhere here, but you can't see. So you'll carry on chaining or working your project or wherever it is that you're doing, and you get to this stage and you think, right, okay, I need to extend my yarn again. So open your loop, grab the yarn through, and here we are again. I've made another extension, 3 yarns together, and it really is very clever, to be honest, because there's no joins. You don't have 3 balls to worry about, because I have actually done this in the past where I've used 3 balls to make a chunky item, and you know, I've got myself into a right mess. So here we are again. I'll show you one more time. Just open the loop and grab that 3rd yarn through and pull it across. And here we are. There it is there. You won't see it. I've gone this far. And if you can do them the longer the better, then it just saves you having to keep pulling through the loop. But yeah, you just, I mean, I'm just doing a double crochet here just to show you. And it is really, rather than chain, sorry. So, oops. So what I'll do is, there's my last one. Just bear with me. I've got myself into a pickle, sorry. There. So okay, now I need more. Open the loop, pull through, and got myself some more length. There it is there. You won't see it in your work whatsoever. This is a great way of getting chunky yarn, or should I say chunkier yarn. I mean, I've done it with 3 loops, sorry, 3 strands what I'll do very quickly actually is just see if I can show you if this can be done with the 2 as well. I'm not sure how that will work. Yes. No, it's a 3. Hope you like this tutorial. Showed you another trick there to turn your thin yarn into chunky yarn with no tying knots and not working with 3 balls. Hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.